Okay, this is about the revolved meshing of luxurious mansion in Sketchup. About the tutorial. Okay, now we can click the rectangle, click from the origin until this position, around 40 meter and 58 meter. Okay, and now we can draw the basic meshing in the first basic meshing in here, but we have to draw the basic meshing with using the rotate rectangle. We can click from this position around 10 meter in here. Okay, I will repeat. We can draw the meshing in here around 10 meter, or we can add more meshing in here. Okay, then we can push it up around 4 meter only. Okay, then we can triple click, make group. Okay, now we can draw the revolve meshing in here with using the rotate rectangle. Click from this position. Okay, then we can place this position around 10 meter also. Then we can scale this one in this position. Okay, and now we can push it up around 4 meter. Okay, and enter. Okay, then now we can triple click, make group, and we can add more column structure. Okay, we can make group, and we can place this position. Okay. Okay, now we can draw the another element like swimming pool and another meshing. Okay, we can draw the swimming pool first in here. This is about the diagonal swimming pool in here, and we can using the 2-point arc to make it more smooth. Okay, and then we can offset it inside a little bit around 400 millimeter. Okay, this is about the basic meshing, and now we can draw the greenery landscape with using freehand tool. Okay, like this. Okay, and we can draw the another island area in here, and also in this position. Okay, and after that we can assign the materials with using the landscaping. Okay, we can assign the materials with using the landscaping, and we can assign the pavement. We can assign the pavement like this, and assign the water materials, and assign the concrete materials of the edge of the swimming pool. Okay, and after that we can click this object and select move. This line, you can select move, place to this position, and place to this position around. Then we can type 10 slash and enter. Okay, and also this one. Okay, we can select move, type control, place to this position. Then we can type 7 slash and enter. And we can draw this like this. Okay, and after that we can assign the glass materials with the blue glass materials like this, and we can assign the materials with using this assignment. Okay, we can make it like this. Then okay, and after that we can assign the another texture of the wall with concrete and much more materials. I will use this siding, and I will combine with the dark materials. Okay, I will combine with the dark materials. Okay, and also for this one, we'll add the another elements in here, and I will also assign with the dark materials in here. Okay, and I have been prepared for the another object. This is about the palm from 3D warehouse, and I will assign in this position to make it more representative for this environment. Okay, then this is just for a very basic concept of mention, so you can improve this basic model by your own version, or you can develop this design to be more great development. Okay, thanks for watching, and just wait for my next tutorial. Thank you.